In English language we use tenses to communicate or express action that has taken place in the past, present and future. Definition of tenses in English grammar. A tense is a form of a verb which shows the time of action. There are three types of tenses in English language. 1. Present tense. The verb form used for present time. 2. Past tense. The verb form used for past time. 3. Future tense. The verb form used for future time. Each of these tenses are divided into 4 subtenses. Present tense. 1. Present simple tense. Example sentence: I play football. 2. Present continuous tense. Example sentence: I am playing football. 3. Present perfect tense. Example sentence: I have played football. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Example sentence: I have been playing football. Past tense. 1. Past simple tense. Example sentence: he played the violin. 2. Past continuous tense. Example sentence: I was playing. 3. Past perfect tense. Example sentence: he had been reading. 4. Past perfect continuous tense. Example sentence: he had played. Future tense. 1. Future simple tense. Example sentence: he will read. 2. Future continuous tense. Example sentence: I will be swimming. 3. Future perfect tense. Example sentence: he will have been working. 4. Future perfect continuous tense. Example sentence: he will have made a plan.